Hello lovely, in this video we are zooming to the end of the alphabet to Y in our A to Z of dollshouse miniatures. And this Y is about how you can get stalled or stuck or lose interest in your dollshouse miniature project. And I needed to reconnect with my personal why when I got back into the hobby after a couple of decades away from it. And our why is the you aspect. You, me, and what it is that lights you up. What bits do you enjoy doing? What bits do you not enjoy doing? Where do you have skills? Where do you not have skills? Where do you want to learn skills? And where are you really not interested in learning skills? And where we can get really stuck and fail with our dollshouse miniature project is when we try and be like somebody else. Because somebody else may have fabulous skills in an area or a particular design that they're going for, but that isn't a fit for us. And we lose our way, we get stuck, and it's just like not coming together at all. So I encourage you to look at how you want your house projects to be, what sort of era and everything we'll talk about in different videos, how you want them to be, how you want them to look and feel, to notice what lights you up and what doesn't light you up, what are your skills and what aren't your skills, and how you can fudge the things that aren't your skills. What areas do you want to explore a bit more and maybe develop as your skills? Please subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of my next videos. It could be that there are some things you want to do from start to finish, the making, like this kitchen unit in Bramble Cottage. I soon realised that, making furniture and stuff with wood from the beginning really isn't my strong point, but I had to do it, and the sink and the curtains and everything. I love the textile aspect, but all the woody stuff is not my best, I have to confess, with the micro measurements. But when it comes to the textiles and the fabrics and all of that, I absolutely adore it, and that's what lights me up. I can do all the floorboards, I can do all the woodwork, the carpentry and everything in my houses, but I'm excited to be doing the dressing of the rooms and all sorts of other fun things. I've still got a collection of wood, so don't invest too heavily in things that are not necessarily going to be your thing. You don't know until you try. I love the beads and making perfume bottles. Explore, but keeping in mind what lights you up, what things float your boat, what makes you go, ooh, wow, when you see somebody else's video and what you could do yourself. And some things, are just not going to be your thing, and that's okay. Be authentic to you, and yes, stretch yourself with your skill set, but don't beat yourself up about it if it's not your thing. And just keep in mind your heart's desire, what lights you up. And if you stall and get stuck, then go back to the beginning again and get in touch with what fills you with joy. Which are the things that really fire you up and excite you again, and get started all over again, because a fail to begin with isn't a fail forever. And do you have people in your house, or do you have just the impression of occupants? I have cats, but I don't have people in my houses. I'll talk to you very soon, lovely.